Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are at the farm. Y'all, it's a horse, and there's some down there too. Do you see the horse? Look at the horse. Come here. Come here. We're not gonna pat, but we can look. Look at the horse. He turned his tushy towards us. Oh. He turned his tushy towards us. Do you see? There's only one horse in here. You see the horse? Is he eating? Let's come on this side to see. Is there a horsey over here? I don't see any horsies over here. The horsies are just over here. You see the horse? What do you think? Yeah, it's a horse. It's a donkey. He's scratching his neck. He's itching. We did watch him poop earlier. Oh, don't lean over the fence, bud. He's itching. He's scratching his neck. You see him scratching his neck? He must be itching. It is such a beautiful day outside. We have the donkey behind us scratching his neck. We just finished looking at some horses. We're meeting our friend here. So we're gonna have your friend come visit with us. This is supposed to be winter, but it feels like fall, kinda. As you can see, I'm not wearing a coat, so. They want us to give them food to eat. You can feed the goats. I don't think we have any food to feed the goats. Yeah, I don't think we have any food to feed the goats. Yeah, you see the goats? Oh, look, and it's a llama. Do you see the animals? Do you see the animals? Look at them eating. Yeah. Of course it is. Okay. He's walking away, or she's walking away. We don't know. Did you hear the sheep?